assertion A is if Earth shrink without change in mass, important point, that Earth shrinks, that means density increases to half its present size, length of the day would become 6 hours. Reason, as size of the Earth changes, its moment of inertia changes. So now, first of all, we need to see, they are saying that suppose this is our Earth initially, and suppose its mass is m. Now in second case, if Earth's size is actually, it reduces to half of its present size, that means they are saying that it actually reduces the radius. So suppose initially radius is r, now radius is, let us assume, r by 2. So this is half of its size. Now in this situation, they are saying mass is still m, that means density has been changed. So they are saying that the length of the day would become 6 hours. That means time period of revolution, that is nothing else 2 pi by omega. Okay, 2 pi by omega, and this will become 6 hours. So initially t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Finally t dash will become 2 pi by omega dash. Correct. Now we know that even if axis of rotation is not changing, so about center of mass, if Earth is rotating, let's say this is omega and this is omega dash, then we know that angular momentum has to be conserved. So if angular momentum is conserved, I will say L initial is equal to L final only. And if you use this, you know that I into omega is equal to I initial into omega initial is equal to I final into omega final. This is the angular momentum. And if you put the values, then what can you say in this case? That I value will be 2 by 5 m into r square initially into omega is equal to 2 by 5 m into r by 2 square into omega dash. So from there this will be cancelled out because masses are same. So r square into omega will give you r square by 4 into omega dash. So from there r square will be cancelled out. So omega dash will be 4 times of omega. So of course 4 times of omega. Now we have equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, one can clearly see. So let me just remove it. So one can clearly see that t dash by t will be 2 pi by omega dash divided by 2 pi by omega. Correct. So now 2 pi is cancelled out and this will become omega by omega dash. Now if you put the values, then you get omega upon 4 omega. So this will be t by 4. Okay, and obviously t initial currently we know that is 24 hours. So this will become 6 hours. So yes, that is true. So I must say that both assertion and reasons are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, right? So option number 1 should be our right answer. Okay.